Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see the Boolean laws in the 5 minutes. Okay, the problem with Boolean laws is that we almost know all the laws but we don't know their respective names. Okay, so here we are going to categorize with respect to the names of the laws. Okay, so starting with the very first law, which is nothing but a commutative law. A commutative law means what? If your operands A into B can be written as B into A. Similarly, this is the OR operation, AND operation. Similarly, we can get the OR operation as A OR with B is similar to B OR with A. Okay. Moving on further, the second law is associative law. Now for this associative law, again two types are there, in which if you get A into B are placed in the different bracket and with C, that is equal to A and with B and with C, where B or C placed in different brackets. Okay. Similarly, same operations you can have in the OR format. So that is nothing but basically A OR with B or with C, that is equal to A OR with B or with C. That is nothing but your associative law. Next one is the distributive law. For this distributive law, it is A and with B plus C will give you A into B or with A into C. The same law can be written if the signs are reversed. Then what you will get, let us see. For OR operation, A OR with B and C, then it will be A OR with B and A OR with C. So this is nothing but the distributive law. Moving out further, we have AND laws. So here are the AND laws. AND laws are basically A and with 0 you will get 0, A and with 1 you will get A. That is nothing but A can be anything. If it is 0 then it will be 0, if it is 1 it will be 1. Same as that of A and with A will be equal to A itself, and A and with A complement it is 0. So what you have here are the 4 laws for AND. As similarly you can get the OR laws also. So for that, OR laws will follow the same steps, but the AND sign here will be replaced by OR, and therefore I have A plus 0 is A plus 1 is 1, anything plus 1 is 1, that is logic high. A plus A is equal to A itself, and A plus A bar will give me the answer 1. So that's all about the AND laws and OR laws. Moving out further, I have the next set of laws. First of all, which having the inversion law. Inversion law is pretty much common to all. That is nothing but A complement of complement will give you A. Okay. Along with these basic laws, commutative laws, associative laws, distributive laws, AND laws, OR laws, and inversion law, there are some important laws which can be used, which are actually derived with the help of these laws only, but it will be very easy to remember. So let us check it one by one. So first of all, A bar plus AB gives me A bar OR with B. A bar plus AB bar gives me A bar OR with B bar. A plus AB gives me A, and A plus A bar B will give me A plus B. Most of these other laws are nothing but the result of using the distributive law here. So that's all about the Boolean laws and their respective names. So make sure while using the law you have memorized their names as commutative or associative or distributive. And thank you for watching In 5 Minutes.